poverty within the UK is a growing problem, with 1 in 5 people now struggling to put food on the table. Despite London being one of the richest cities in the world, there are thousands that experience food poverty on a daily basis, ranging from homeless people to low-income families. Muslim Hands Open Kitchen is a free community kitchen serving homeless people and low-income families in the London Borough of Hounslow. It is one of a kind, open 365 days a year, never closing its doors to the people most in need. The purpose of opening this kitchen is so that anyone experiencing food poverty is welcome to enjoy a nutritious hot meal served in a safe, warm environment with dignity and respect. Driven by Islamic values, we are reminded of the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He is not a believer whose stomach is filled while his neighbour goes hungry. There are no entry requirements, and we welcome people from all faiths, backgrounds and walks of life. We pride ourselves on social cohesion and the diversity of our service users. Our beneficiaries' family is so wonderfully diverse and is made up of students, over 60s, ex-offenders, refugees, retired army officers, the homeless, substance misuse addicts, people in domestic violence cases, low-income families, single parents and so much more. Just as importantly, it offers a community-centred space where everyone is treated with respect and dignity. It was the 8th of December 2018 when the humanitarian project Open Kitchen was launched, and with great blessings of Almighty Allah, we are proud to announce that we have delivered more than 100,000 fresh and hot meals to the people during these 2 years. Since December 2018, it has had so many people that have walked through the doors and who now rely on the kitchen for their meals.
We're really grateful for the Muslim community to be involved so much in looking after people who are destitute, who are sleeping rough, sleeping indoors.
तकरीबन 3 लाख ऐसे लोग हैं जो घरों से बाहर रहते हैं, न उनके पास खाना है, न उनके पास रहायश है, न उसके लिए रहने की प्रॉपर जगह। तो इस किस्म के लोगों के लिए बहुत जरूरी थी। उनके खाने के इंतजाम के लिए मसाजिद में, गुरुद्वारों में है, लेकिन वो लोग हेजिटेट हैं वहां जाते हुए। तो हमने एक ऐसी जगह जहां पर जस्ट वो वॉक इन हो, अपनी प्लेट उठाएं और वहां से वो खाना लेके जाएं।
हर बंदा वहां पे वेलकम है। ओपन किचन है। Probably do a function for them to raise some money.
The local MP, Ruth Cadbury, also lauded the performance of Open Kitchens and made a statement in Parliament, saying that Muslim Hands has a beautiful partnership plan in Hounslow, which is providing assistance to every deserving person without any discrimination.
I've seen community groups, staffed mainly by volunteers, stepping forward from the hot meals being provided by the Open Kitchen and the Gurdwara and the mosques, to the food parcels from the Hounslow Community Food Box in Brentford and Bridgelink Food Bank in Isleworth. And of course the many, many individuals who step forward to help their neighbours. I thank them all.
Located at 514 Great West Road, the Open Kitchen originally served free meals twice a day, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. till 8 p.m, 7 days a week. There are no questions asked, and people are able to walk in, pick up a plate and cutlery and choose their meal from a buffet layout. There are always a variety of options: a veg dish, meat dish, rice or pasta, bread, snacks and fruit. With the current COVID-19 outbreak, we have closed the sitting area but are providing takeaway parcels instead from the site. Lunch, dinner, snacks. We also deliver food ration packages to the vulnerable and to families struggling in the borough. We could not bring ourselves to close the kitchen as we have witnessed how it has become a lifeline for so many, and the number of people contacting us for support increasing every single day. The kitchen not only provides food, but it has become a place where birthdays are celebrated. Support is provided from local MPs and councillors for housing, cycles are provided to the homeless, and so much more.
Today I've joined here in Open Kitchen, supported by Muslim Hands and many volunteers from across the community. An incredibly important community initiative, bringing in all faiths and providing one of the most important services that we can, the service of food to tackle hunger, particularly for those that are most in need.
To be back at the Open Kitchen in Osterley, they've been here right from the start of the COVID lockdown. They've provided thousands of meals to really needy residents of the borough, and without them the council would have found it more difficult to support those needy residents. With over 22,000 people shielded in the borough through their providing of meals here, and their home delivery service. It's really made a difference to so many.
We have now become one big multicultural family. Our beneficiaries say,
I use Open Kitchen, run by Muslim hands. It's called Open Kitchen, and I'm very grateful for the lovely food.
It's a shame there's not more of these places around, because a lot of homeless.
A lot of people we see outside today. Some people, police takes them because they go stealing food somewhere, but now it's like we have a place like you can see people coming in, they don't need to go steal. They have a place like where they can find food somewhere to come and eat.
Please visit our website for more information or pop in to have a chat with us. muslimhands.org.uk/appeals/the-open-kitchen.